Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple
And we're here to help you update your home
and save money by doing it yourself.
When we first wanted to make over this bathroom, we had no idea the cost to replace or refinish our bathroom tub.
Look at that. When we were quoted these prices, it was going to cause a problem. So you know we had to find a solution.
And we found one, and we're excited to share the DIY hack that will save you thousands.
We found out that there's a few things that we needed to do before we started the tub, so here's what we did.
So when you take a closer look at this fiberglass tub and shower surround, you can see the discoloration on the surface. Even after a thorough cleaning, we couldn't get the ring around the tub out. There's a little chipping and some dullness.
And you can see that the wall surround is in a little better condition.
Yeah, the top part was like a little bit shinier. We're gonna give this entire unit here a refresh, and it's gonna look brand new.
You see this sand block right here? It's one of the things that makes a big difference in the way this DIY project will turn out. Since we're doing it ourselves, we want to start off with prepping the surface because sanding is very important. You want to sand every inch of this tub. I want to let you know that wearing a mask, gloves, and safety glasses will help to limit your exposure to fiberglass dust. Sometimes people don't realize how small their space is until they start sanding and the particles don't have anywhere to go. Sanding is also a critical step because it's going to allow your primer to adhere to your surface. If you have a tub that's already been painted, this is something that you really want to do because it will help you smooth down the chipping and save money in the end. Guys, this is the secret to having a good refinished tub project.
We went ahead and got a second respirator that I could use while I'm vacuuming out the tub. It's not necessary for this part, but I just decided to wear it, and this will allow us to both be in the bathroom while we're priming the tub. I'm using a TSP cleaner that will really get all the dirt, grease, and grime and any of the other dust particles that are left behind. To me, this cleaner is really good at getting up old paint or caulk that could be stuck to the surface.
Real quick, after you watch this video, check out diypowercouple.com.
There you'll see our blog where you'll find products, tools, and links to everything you'll need for this DIY project.
One thing we learned from the last time we painted the tub is to tape up all of the hardware. This time we're also going to remove the overflow plate and the tub drain. Taping the sides to protect your walls because this marine paint is a little thicker, and when trying to remove it, it can even damage your walls.
I've used this tool in another video and it helps to remove old stubborn drains. At one point, I didn't even know that this is the tool that you could use to update your tub drain. Now that I'm a DIYer, I realized that they have a tool for everything. When I opened it up, I saw a lot of old debris, so I cleaned it up and sanded the edges and filled it so that paint wouldn't go down the drain. Hey guys, I'm getting geared up because I'm not about to play with this primer. This small bathroom DIY is about to get serious. As you can see, I'm putting on everything.
And now for the star of the show. Marine paint has been the best DIY hack we've ever done, especially for fiberglass tubs. Even when the paint cans are shaken at the store, By the time we get home and we're ready to do the project, it's still so thick. We thought we were ready to film, but hubby had to spend a few extra minutes constantly stirring the primer. Another DIY hack we want to share is to use painter's tape to make a little spout. This has helped us so much with not having drips all over the can.
We like to roll the primer on the tub because it sets the tone for a nice smooth finish. We learned that you have to get it on there kind of quick and then do long strokes so you don't see any roller marks. The primer is self-leveling, but you still have to watch out for drips. Since my wife and I both have respirators, we can do this together. I felt a little rushed because of this part of the DIY because I really wanted to get it done before it dried.
We're painting this tub white to complement our new peel and stick floor, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and have your notifications on so you'll be the first to know when that peel and stick video is uploaded.
We started on the back side of the tub and then we worked our way down. Then we painted the floor of the tub, up the front side of the tub, and then over to the outside.
We made sure every inch of that tub surround was primed. And this is what the tub looks like after the primer has been cured for a few days. Priming is probably the hardest step in this DIY, but it is so important to protect against blisters and bubbling and really help the paint to adhere to the tub and last longer.
Now the real transformation happens. The topside coat doesn't smell as much as the primer does, but we still use our respirators. It's much lighter and easier to stir. This is what gave our tub a nice shine and a professional look.
I like using the topside paint because it really starts changing the look of the tub. The gloss white paint on this entire tub surround is giving brightness. It's giving, I am going to be brand new.
After the first coat of paint dried, we applied the second coat.
After the second coat, you really can see the glossy finish. It's so satisfying to see what 2 quarts of paint can do. Now we want it to get completely dry and cure for at least 3 days.
The paint has cured and now we're slowly taking off the painter's tape. We want to get all of the tape off so that it doesn't stay permanently on the tub. I used a little bit of the TSP to remove dirt and sticky residue from the tub fixtures. We chose to add a waterproof quarter-round trim to the base of the tub. This will help keep moisture from getting underneath our new peel and stick floor. Make sure you check out that video.
Wow, look how good it turned out. This tub is bright and beautiful. Going back and looking at the footage of how the tub used to look and how it looks today is just amazing.
In my opinion, doing this type of DIY has saved us the most money by far. The thing I like is that we didn't get charged thousands of dollars to make our bathroom look this nice.
Or overpay for something we don't even like. It's such an empowering feeling to do home projects and home updates yourself. We share these videos because we want you to feel that way too.
If you want more, we have a tub playlist for you.
And check out all the videos in the series of our small bathroom makeover.
And remember, you can DIY too.